Banggood. Where's the controller? Control! Mommy! I really don't get to put that with the computer.
6 by 6 folks.
Yeah!
I like it. Unboxed.
Open here.
Open it, man. Is there tape on there? Have a look.
No.
Don't press down too hard. Wait, let me see. Ah, good job.
Bam bam bam! Woohoo! It's like an engine. A real engine.
Let's switch it on and see.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how.
No batteries in my control.
Switch is here. I just want to see what happens.
Okay. But that doesn't open.
I'm gonna go and get some batteries.
Yeah. Batteries time. How did they not put batteries in it already?
Because they could, I don't know why. They're just cheap.
Cheap. Could I control it?
Of course. But don't press anything yet. Don't press it yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Off, off, off. It doesn't.
So the steering isn't proportional steering. It's just either left or right. That's why. It's either left or right. Understand? So.
Could it go beep, beep, beep?
Not right now. Maybe one day we can make it do that kind of thing. With
By itself.
with different electronics inside. Let's just plug it in and see right out of the box if it runs. Alright. The battery fits underneath here and underneath the dashboard as well. Same. Okay. It goes all the way in, so I'm gonna set the battery here so that
Does it look good?
Oh, the bumper's coming off of the front. Ooh, look at. Whoa, reverse.
Mommy! My lights on my truck could turn on.
Whoa, 6-speed drive. Bring it back in here now. Reverse it to your right. Good boy. Bring it back all the way. Stop.
Oh, I could see it spinning.
Alright.